Hey dolls, welcome to Dollhouse Let's Play. So, we have a user on our Dollhouse Discord who is having trouble with their model here, as you can see. The user's name is Anathema Soul. I hope I'm saying that right. And they are actually the creator of this model and its character design. So you can find Anathema on X or Blue Sky. And I'll leave their name at the bottom corner of the screen so you can find them on either their X or their Blue Sky. So, as you see, the problem with their model is when I shake my head or shake her head this way and that way, then you see that something glitchy and weird is going on with the hair, right? So we did some troubleshooting and tried to figure out what it was. We looked at all the textures, the face texture, the hair texture, tried to troubleshoot, see if it was any of that, and even went down to looking at the outline. And I mentioned it, but also the creator of this model mentioned it, that maybe it could possibly be the bones. So that's what I wasn't initially thinking that, but when it comes down to it, it actually makes sense. So I want to show you how to fix this error. If you're getting some sort of glitchy error with your hair, it could be possible that maybe it has nothing to do with your textures at all, but in fact, it has something to do with your bones. So we're going to go take a look at your bones right now. Or these bones right now, not your bones. But we're going to go ahead and look at these bones and see what's up with them. So you want to open your VroidStudio, and go ahead and open the model that's having the error. Oops. Okay. Okay, since we already know the issue, then we're going to go ahead and immediately head to the hairstyle. This time I'm going to save this as a new item along with all the other hair pieces, because when I was troubleshooting this issue for Anathema, so somehow on the first one the bangs completely got adjusted and flipped to the other side, and it kind of didn't even look like what they had created. So it helped me to just save these. Okay, now that we have that saved, we can go to the edit hair bounce. Go to the hair that's having the problem. And what we want to do, so you can see what's up, is click a piece of hair. Now you see what's going on there, right? These bones are going this way, the hair is going this way. Normally, the bones should all be going in the direction of the hair. This is the indicator that the bones are all wrong. And you click this one, it's doing the same. That one, it's doing the same. Bones are way over here. This one, bones are way over here. This is the issue. So how do we fix this? Simple. We're going to delete all of the bone groups and then recreate them. And I think the creator of this model had 2 bones in each, so that's how we're going to keep it. And just go ahead and recreate each piece of hair. So we're going to grab this and create a new bone group, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So when you click this, you see all the bones are going in the direction they should be going. And what was causing the weird glitchy issue is the bones are reacting to where the bones were located. So now that we have the bones in the right location, this is going to work correctly. Okay, now all we want to do is reduce the bones down to 2, like the initial hair, and then put the fixed point all the way down here. And then we're going to create another one, create the bone group, there it is, and then we're going to put this bones down to 2, and put the fixed point all the way down here. And we're going to do this repeatedly until we are finished. So I may speed up this point for you, and we'll see how everything is working when I'm done. Okay, so now that we have all that done, that should be working correctly. Now we are going to take this little piece that was added by the creator of this model, and we're going to fix that piece of hair too, just as extra. So we're going to go into the extra, click it, you see that's off, completely off from where it should be. So we're going to delete this bone group, and then we're going to click it again and create bone. Now that is going to be completely working well. I'm going to leave this mini bone so it can have a very nice movement. Okay, so now we're going to go test it out, and it should be working. Okay, now we're going to go to our camera. And you see, it is working very well. Very well. See? And that concludes this tutorial for today. I hope this was very helpful to you guys, and I hope you can use it in your future if you ever come across this issue. So just remember, when you edit preset hair that already exists and you change the way that the hair looks and the position of hair, make sure you head into hair bounce and change the bones as well, so everything can be working fine. So that's all for today, dolls. See you later. Bye.